Welcome back to MedTechFuture TV, where we explore the latest medical breakthroughs and innovations. In today's video, we'll be discussing Tocilizumab, a life-saving drug that's been making headlines. Here are 5 things you need to know about Tocilizumab. 1. What is Tocilizumab and how does it work? Tocilizumab is a monoclonal antibody that works by blocking the interleukin-6 (IL-6) receptor. IL-6 is a cytokine, a type of protein that plays a critical role in regulating the immune response and inflammation. Under normal circumstances, IL-6 helps the body fight off infections and heal injuries. However, in certain conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis and severe COVID-19 cases, the IL-6 pathway becomes overactive, leading to excessive inflammation and tissue damage. By inhibiting the IL-6 receptor, Tocilizumab helps to dampen the immune response, reduce inflammation, and alleviate symptoms. A pivotal study published in The Lancet in 2020 found that Tocilizumab reduced the risk of death in hospitalized COVID-19 patients by 15%. To put that into perspective, for every 100 patients treated with Tocilizumab, 15 additional lives were saved compared to patients not receiving the drug. 2. Tocilizumab is primarily used to treat rheumatoid arthritis, systemic juvenile idiopathic arthritis, and cytokine release syndrome. In clinical trials, Tocilizumab has demonstrated significant improvements in disease activity and joint damage progression in rheumatoid arthritis patients. For systemic juvenile idiopathic arthritis, studies have shown that Tocilizumab can achieve a 90% response rate, resulting in improved quality of life for affected children. With respect to COVID-19, Tocilizumab has been particularly effective in treating severe cases marked by an overactive immune response. Historically, rheumatoid arthritis was treated with NSAIDs, corticosteroids, and disease-modifying antirheumatic drugs, MARDs, but Tocilizumab offers a targeted approach to reduce inflammation and improve survival rates. 3. Tocilizumab was developed by the pharmaceutical company Roche and is marketed under the trade name Actemra. Since its release in 2010, the drug has generated over $2 billion in revenue, making it one of the top-selling drugs in its class, alongside TNF-alpha inhibitors such as Humira and Enbrel, which generated $20.4 billion and $7.9 billion in revenue respectively in 2020. 4. Tocilizumab can be administered intravenously or as a subcutaneous injection. Treatment duration varies depending on the condition but is typically given every 2 to 4 weeks for rheumatoid arthritis. The cost of Tocilizumab is approximately $2,000 to $3,000 per month, depending on the dosage and administration method. Major side effects include increased risk of infection, liver enzyme elevations, and gastrointestinal perforations. 5. Tocilizumab's primary strength lies in its targeted mechanism of action, which can lead to improved outcomes for patients with specific inflammatory conditions. By focusing on the IL-6 pathway, it effectively addresses the underlying cause of inflammation in these conditions. However, it may not be as effective in treating all forms of arthritis as some other drugs in its class, such as TNF-alpha inhibitors. For example, in a head-to-head clinical trial comparing Tocilizumab to the TNF-alpha inhibitor adalimumab, Humira, for rheumatoid arthritis, Tocilizumab demonstrated superior efficacy in reducing the signs and symptoms of the disease, but other studies have shown that TNF-alpha inhibitors may be more effective in certain patient populations or for other inflammatory conditions. Additionally, its high cost and potential for severe side effects can limit its accessibility and use. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Be sure to subscribe to MedTechFuture TV for more fascinating stories of medicine, technology, and innovation. Until next time, stay curious.